Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. The year of 2026 has just started, but you're already feeling like you're getting lost in all of the Zoho updates, new features and enhancements. Then this video is made for you. Because we gathered all of the latest updates, news, new features and new releases of Zoho in one video, and we will specifically talk about the latest news and updates that have been made in the first quarter of 2026. Before we begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single day. And now let's get on into the video. And as always, we will start from core of every business, Zoho CRM. And we're starting off from record category in Zoho CRM, which is a new capability where users can get an overview of current state of the records, view their progress at glance, and focus on what matters the most. In Zoho CRM, there's also a new enhancement in sending emails from Zoho CRM. So now you can add custom font types, custom font sizes, and default reply to address. Zoho CRM also introduced Notes badge, with which you can have a quick visibility into the notes associated with each record. On top of custom AI solutions, Zoho enabled deeper integration with quick LM models that can be seamlessly integrated in CRM and surface insights right inside your record details page. If you know what you want but you're not fully sure which function to use, Zoho has introduced ZIA formula expression generated for formula fields in Zoho CRM. Zoho also introduced a major productivity boost to your CRM experience, a Work Queue, which is a dynamic all-one workspace that brings every important sales activity, approval, and follow-up right to your fingertips. Another huge and exciting update is spam detection in web forms. So Zoho analyzes all of the submissions from bots, submissions from invalid phone numbers, and submissions with invalid email addresses, and flags the record so you can review them, and if it's spam, delete all of the records in bulk or approve them to enter your lead list. Another great enhancement is that Zoho CRM sales trend and sales follow-up trend dashboards are now customizable. Also, great news is that Zoho has started rolling out the new Zoho CRM for Everyone UI as the default experience for all users. Zoho CRM also introduced ZIA dashboards insights, with which you can not only see what's happening with your data but also learn why it is happening. And the last update is in regards to ZIA agents. So now you can configure when agents should activate, what context to feed it, and how to map parameters. So from Zoho CRM, we're obviously moving to other sales apps to see all of the exciting updates that have been made within those apps. Starting off from Zoho Bigin, and first and great update is that Zoho Bigin introduced workflow automation for the products module. Zoho Bigin also added a product catalog that enables you to create and share a centralized catalog of your products as public website. Another great news is that Zoho Bigin is supercharged with Zoho MCP, which uses AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT, performing actions across multiple apps and achieve a lot of different things with just a simple prompt. Moving on to Zoho SalesIQ, that introduced responsibility-based profiles for smarter access control. From sales apps, we're now moving to marketing apps. Starting off from Zoho Social, that got quite a few enhancements. So now you can create your Google business profile directly from Zoho Social, manage time zones when you're publishing for multiple brands, view reaction counts for posts and comments on Facebook and LinkedIn, and also select multiple posts and approve or reject them all at once with bulk approvals. Moving on to the new release of Zoho PageSense 3.0 that introduces major upgrades for full-stack experimentation, including server-side testing, mobile app analytics and push notifications, multi-layered bandit optimization, AI-powered insights with Ask ZIA, and smart code for faster performance. And now it's time to move on to finance apps and see all of the exciting updates that have been made there. Starting off from new app Zoho ERP, which is a modern ERP platform designed to help businesses become faster, smarter, and more resilient. Built for companies of all sizes, Zoho ERP combines finance, supply chain, HR, billing, commerce, and AI-powered insights into one connected ecosystem with a user-friendly experience and scalable infrastructure. Moving on to Zoho Books, that got a few announcements, including profit margin for sales transactions, reconcile invoices in GSTR1 India edition, apply multi-level discounts to transactions in US and Canada editions, associate retainer invoices to final invoices in Mexico edition, tax calculation on MRP for tobacco products in India edition, and multi-vehicle support in e-way bills in India edition. Moving on to Zoho Inventory, that also got a few updates, including item and item groups unification feature, unit groups feature, batch price management, profit margin calculation, enhancements in purchase receipts and bills, and group pick list. Now let's move on to service and project management apps. Starting off from Zoho Desk, and after all of the new updates, you can now collaborate with customers with Zoom meeting integration, turn chat conversations into real action with integration blocks in guided conversations, add or update lookup fields values during blueprint transition, simplify scripting with Zia Assistant Bot, make quick edits to images before attaching, and get faster ticket response with use of snippets in comments. Moving on to Zoho Projects, that introduce custom modules. So with custom modules, codecs, workflows, and custom functions, you can set up approvals for manual evaluations. Zoho also announced Zoho Projects Infinity, with which you can shape Zoho Projects to make it your own, complete with practical dashboards, tailored reports, and straightforward modules, along with AI capabilities that are baked into every element. Moving on to collaboration and HR apps, and see what Zoho has prepared for us and what updates and new features are there. Starting off from the new release of Zoho Workdrive 6.0 that introduced major updates, including AI-powered file Q&A with Zia, media summarization for audio and video, smart file suggestions, and the advanced workflow automation with external user support. And we're moving on to Zoho Recruit. So after recent updates, you can now blocklist candidates, use a new built telephony in Zoho Recruit, and use an auto trigger for screening bot feature. And the last category of apps is BI&Analytics. So let's see what exciting updates we have got in here. Starting off from AI agents in Zoho Analytics, so now you can build complete data pipelines without writing a line of code, create data transformation just by showing an example of the final output, and simplify metrics creation by describing your logic in natural language. With other enhancements, you can now use single Zoho data bridge instance for importing data, build custom visualizations, act on your data with real actions, use geomap visualizations, customize Z Insights position, manage data efficiency with archive data, and track Gen AI activity logs. So as you can see, Zoho is constantly improving its software, and it's very hard to keep up with all of the updates. That's why on our channel we constantly make these videos by quarter. So every quarter we release a video where we talk about all the quarterly updates of Zoho. But we also prepared a very useful video for you, for everyone that can't keep up even with quarterly updates. We have made a year in review where we talk about the biggest releases and updates and new features that Zoho has made in 2025. So you can check out this video in the corner and down below in the description box, so you can learn about all of the new features and updates and stay updated. And also, if you found this video useful, please leave your feedback in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And if you have any questions about Zoho customization, development, integration, or implementation, feel free to book a free consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box. We'll answer all of your questions regarding Zoho, and also we can provide you with an accurate estimate for your project very shortly.